Hello, friends. Good morning. Once again, welcome to you all. Today, I am going to discuss very important topics related to women. Topic name is Women's Movement. Let's see. It refers to a series of political campaigns for reforms on issues such as reproductive rights, domestic violence, maternity leave, equal pay, women's suffrage, sexual harassment, and sexual violence. The movement priorities vary among the nation and communities and range from opposition to the female genital mutilation in one country to opposition to the glass ceiling in another. Women's movement in India. The women's movement in India begins as a social reform movement in the 19th century. Preliminary stage of women movement in India 1880 to 1940. There are many women's organizations and many women's movement activities in 1880 to 1940 due to imperial ideology and the British control. A lot of new things happening. Point number 2. In 1880, women's movement asked for women's education. Pandit Ramabai fought very hard for right of women. Point number 3. In 1904, a woman beings started a national social conference, which later called Indian Women's Conference. They set many branches in India. Next point. At this time, issues concerning women's social emancipation that were prime agenda of social reforms were issues such as sati, plight of widow, polygamy, child marriage, and women education. These issues were taken by Raja Ram Mohan Roy, Dayanand Saraswati, M.G. Ranade, etc. Next point. In 1887, M.G. Ranade established the National Social Conference, which did have women emancipation on its agenda, as he worked for introduction of women widows marriage, abolition of child marriage. Last point. In 1891, Age of Consent Act was passed, which rules the legal age of marriage. Women's participation in the national movement. Women play a very important role in the national movement. Their presence made it a mass movement. With their participation, the speed of national movement accelerated. Some of name of women who participated in Satyagraha were Sarojini Naidu, Lado Rani, Kamala Nehru, Harsha Mehta, Lalavati Munshi, Durgabai Deshmukh, and Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay. Women's movement in a post-independence. With the passing of Universal Declaration of Human Rights (UDHR), the needs of equal rights emerge more strongly. Article 15 of Indian Constitution is the success story of women's movement. Self-employment women's association movement in Ahmedabad led by Ela Bhatt, which was a sort of pioneering trade of union movement that began in 1972.